All right, so I found a private lake with one singular public access spot. It's kind of sketchy. Hopefully I don't get arrested, and hopefully I'm able to do some fishing. That's the goal. Trying to catch one of these Georgia largemouth. This isn't gonna work. That didn't work. Man, I really thought I could get under there. Never mind, mission accomplished. Got through the hole. I came out of the woods and I ended up here. I don't know if this is such a good idea, but here I am. All right, potentially found another spot. Definitely have to trespass to get through again. But yeah, I need to cast this pole. It's so difficult. I've been driving around trying to find public access to any water for the last 40 minutes. And I mean, I'm in the middle of Atlanta right now. It's freaking difficult to try to find a place to fish, but we'll see how this goes. W find. If I don't catch a fish, at least I got this. Scariest part about walking through these woods is spider webs. I don't know if you can see that, but they're everywhere, and they just jump right up on you, and the spiders are massive. Spider webs are not making this worth it. Look at all that. I'm not walking to cast into that. This is not worth it at all. All right, one last chance to illegally trespass to try to catch a bass. Gonna be walking through these gates right here. Then when I pulled up, they were closed, but they just slid right open. I was gonna drive down this road, but it just did not seem worth it. I didn't want to get screwed over and somebody locked that gate back up and then my car would be stuck or something. Oh, that was a spider web. So I'm walking it. We're gonna see if I can see any fish. I'm just nervous about traps and bugs. I literally could not handle the spider webs anymore. Every 5 feet, it's just spider webs all over my body. And I didn't even get close to getting between mosquitoes and stuff too. So, oh crap, there's a car pulling up right here. Well, I've made one cast in the last hour and a half. I've tried 3 different spots and have only gotten spider webs and a Stanley Fat Max. So I'm about to quit. I might try one more, but otherwise, I don't know if Atlanta fishing is the move. I may have found the spot. It so far has required 0 trespassing, and it has a public parking lot. Just need to get to the water, so we may be able to catch a fish. This looks good. This looks so good. Now that is promising. Look at that. Finally found a spot to fish. Just gotta get down a little farther, and then hopefully we can catch something. That'd be sweet. Oh, this looks good. Just like that, we're fishing. We did it. We caught ourselves an Atlanta bass. What a beaut. See you later, buddy. It's definitely a battle getting this spot, but look at this. I mean, come on. That is freaking, it's freaking gorgeous. So beautiful. What a spot in the middle of Atlanta, Georgia. No signs of fishing activity. I just found it, a little hole on maps, and I was like, I guess I'll give it a try. It looks like nobody's fished here. It's amazing. I just can't believe that we're hooking up and seeing a spot in Atlanta that seems that nobody else has seen. Don't know if I'm gonna catch another fish tonight, but I'm just enjoying the peace and quiet of being in Atlanta, Georgia, but with a fishing pole and out in nature, bushwhacking through this trail. It's just so nice getting a little bit of peace and quiet. Definitely a recharge. This is just awesome. So really glad that spot 4 worked out. I spent 3.5 hours at 4 different spots. Drove a total of like almost 30 miles. And all for one bass. Sometimes you do gotta ask the question though, was it worth it? Float.
The MJ gloves on.
Let's find out. What you got? Oh, easy.
We're like, what's the queen? Where's the horse?
Got it, baby.
Gas one. Why?
So much different shit. I don't
I picked up Mom in Atlanta and now we're going to Florida. Pensacola, here we come.
Here we come.
Made it to Pensacola, 6:30 in the morning. You can tell I'm a little tired. My eyes not fully adjusted to the sun yet. Got my fishing stuff. Gonna try to catch a fish in this bayou. Yep, there we go. There we go. Oh, yep. Hooked up. Maybe? Oh yeah, we're hooked up. It's not that big. My first saltwater fish. Here it is. See you later, little buddy. Oh my gosh. I want to use bigger bait, bigger hooks, bigger leaders. Oh my gosh, there's a fish on right there. Ah! Oh, it's a little ray! Oh, little ray! See that barb? It's sticking out past the tail. Yeah, a ray! That's number 2 of the day, too. All right, we're gonna say goodbye. See if times 15 can capture this moment.
Times 15.
I know. These are nice leaves. Hooray! That looks nice. Good sunset. Good.
That's so easy.
We drove drove through the night. We started in Birmingham, Alabama. We're in Illinois now, and we have done non-stop driving.
I drove through Illinois for 15 hours.
Yep. That sounds historically accurate.
So then I felt hungover, and Levi said I should drink this.